Hello guys and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We're continuing with our tutorials on Nim.video. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed on what this software is and what it's capable of. This software is used to create short videos using prompts. You're seeing on screen right now some of the projects that we did previously. We are using some of the paid plans that the software has. We have some credits for us to use. If you want to use some of these credits as well and some of the paid plans, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use and get some credits. In this video, we're going to be checking out some of the different tools that the software has. We have been creating videos using prompts. We have created images using prompts. We have added audio to those videos. We have created short videos stitching together some of the videos that the software created. And today we're going to be using a portrait of myself like we did on the previous video to create a little short video using the lip sync option. I'm going to be uploading an audio that I recorded myself as well. And we are going to check out how the lip sync does using an image. So without further ado, I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen much better. And I'll see you guys in the end of the video. So as I was telling you just some seconds ago, these are some of the projects that we were creating in the previous videos. These animals, this puppy and this kitten were the first video where we created images using the prompts, and then the software created videos out of those prompts and then added some audio. We were creating characters using the prompts as well. We restylized some videos for us to use in different scenarios. We have some realistic videos and some cartoonish videos. We used a clip of myself to change the style of how it looked. And today we're gonna be using the lip sync options. So the first thing that we're gonna be using is an image of myself. I'm gonna use this portrait image. If I click right here on video, I can click on image to video and upload the portrait once again, and I can describe what I want the video to be showing. I can use the Write with AI tool and it's gonna generate a random prompt for the software to use, such as this one: capture a steady shot of a person in a white hoodie sitting on a desk surrounded by cozy minimalistic room. As they gesture animatedly, their movements convey excitement and thoughtful engagement. The camera pans slowly to reveal framed artwork and a green potted plant, enhancing the dynamic interaction with the environment, creating a scene full of life and energy. I like the prompt, but I want to use something that emphasizes more on my speech since we're going to be using the lip sync tool. So I'm just going to say character talks for some seconds and moves around. This would be the new prompt that the software created. We can click on generate the video and see what the software does using this prompt. So this is the video that the software created with the prompt and using just the image of my face. As you see, it moved around my body, it moves around my mouth. I'm really excited of what I'm speaking about, and it did a really good job at understanding the prompt. Once that we have the video, we can click on this option right here that says lip sync. And as I showed you in some of the previous videos, we have some different options right here. You can select the speech. You can select the speech source to be text or sound. You can add a text prompt for the video. You can add a text prompt for the person in the video to be saying it. This is the one that we use in this video, for example. Or we can upload a sound. The file that you select must be an MP3. This is just a short clip that I recorded previously. This is the audio that I'm gonna be using in the video. My name is Santiago. This is just a picture of myself that I'm. And let's click on generate and see what the software does. So let's check out what the software did with the lip sync and the image that turned into a video. This is the audio that I'm gonna be using in the video. My name is Santiago. This is just a picture of myself that I'm gonna be turning into a video and using the auto sync of the software. As you see, the video repeats itself because it's a bit shorter, but the lip sync and the audio is really well adjusted. So the software didn't make the video that long because it has a limit of 5 seconds per video, but it reimagined the way that I move my mouth and I move my body and my face. It even added things in the background such as this plant. But what you could do is create more than one video and stitch them together in the tool that I showed you in the first video, the show reel, for you to have multiple videos and then add the audio to those videos and make them longer. Another thing that you can do with the software is go to the story part. We were checking out the image and the video part, but if you go to the story part, you can add characters. For reference, I can add my face once again, and I can add my name and the part that I play in the video. Santiago, main character. If I click on save, the character is gonna be added, and I can write a short story. I can make this short story using the image as well. If I click on generate, once again, the software is gonna take a couple of seconds to generate that story. So we can check out the video that the software creates using me as a character.
Santiago steps into the park, sunlight filtering through the leaves. A golden retriever trots up, tail wagging. Santiago kneels, gently stroking the dog's soft fur, a peaceful smile on his face. Nearby, laughter echoes from a group of kids. Turning, Santiago sees Lucia approaching, picnic basket in hand. They greet each other warmly, sharing a laugh. Surrounded by greenery and cheerful sounds, Santiago feels simple happiness.
As you see, it created a really short story and really concise story using just a picture of my face. It even knows how my face looks in different angles, and it added voiceover, it added a bunch of images, it added transitions, it added images that it created on the spot to use on this short story. And all in all, it does a really cool job at creating this short story using my face and the prompt that I wrote. That's pretty much how you create a really short story using an image of yourself, and how you can create a video of yourself using the lip sync option. You can record an audio of your voice and have the software add that voice to your image and to create a video using that image. It is really amazing how fast and how accurate it does it. In the story part, you can even animate the different scenes of the story, so it is more like a video. And with those videos, you could even add a lip sync to those specific videos. And you could even add lip sync to those specific videos, so the final video is more realistic, let's say. But all in all, the tool is really easy and fast to use, as you saw. Once again, I'm using one of the paid plans of Nim.video. There are some credits that I purchased, but if you want to use some of the credits as well and some of the paid plans, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. Once again, my name is Santiago. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I want to read all of your comments down below to know if you've used the software or if you're planning on using it. I really invite you to go to the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out any of the videos as well. I thank you for being here, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.